Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kay, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Look Fantastic beauty box. So if you already know everything there is to know about this box and you just want to skip ahead to the items inside, then as usual I will leave a timestamp in the comment section down below so that you can skip ahead. But if you want to know more about this box, I'm going to give a brief little description here, but I will also leave some more detailed information in the description box down below so that you can check that out at your own leisure. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription service from the online beauty retailer Look Fantastic. Now Look Fantastic sells pretty much everything you can think of that's beauty related. Makeup, skincare, hair care, beauty tools, and probably a few things in between as well. They sell high-end and luxury brands, they sell drugstore brands. So if you're looking for something, there's a pretty good chance you can find it at Look Fantastic. As well as all that, they obviously do this beauty box. Now this comes in at £15 per month, and that is on a rolling monthly subscription, but you can take out a longer length of subscription and that can bring the cost of your box down. So for example, I've taken out a 12-month rolling subscription with them and my boxes cost me £13 per month. In the box there are 6 beauty items, again ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup and beauty tools. And the sizes of the items are usually anywhere from deluxe minis to full size. You rarely ever get any of those tiny little samples. So that's really nice. And the total value of the items inside is usually around £50, but quite often it's more than that. Now this box does tend to be a little skincare heavy, so that is something to bear in mind if you were thinking about taking out a subscription. But the total value of the items inside this box is usually around the £50 mark, although quite often it's a bit more than that. So let's make a start. This is what the box looks like this month, which is very Christmassy, very pretty. Quite like it. And on the inside of the lid we get either a quote or some sort of motivational phrase. And this month it says "Merry Christmas with love from the Beauty Box team." So this month it's just a little message, which is quite nice. Inside the box this is what it looks like. So we've got a little booklet and then the items are all wrapped up in tissue paper. And this booklet just contains all the information we need about the items inside the box. It usually gives RRPs, but last month it didn't. I haven't had a look yet, but I have a feeling this one probably won't either. So if that's the case, as we're going through the items, I'm just going to have to put the prices on the screen for you because I won't be able to let you know vocally what the prices are. But this booklet also contains information about how to use the products. There's usually some little articles in here as well about the brands that are contained in the box as well, and there's sometimes some articles about any current beauty trends that are going on as well. So this is a nice little accompaniment to the box, and it's quite handy to have. It would be more handy if it had prices for the items inside, but there you go. And I've just had a quick little peek and no, there's no prices, so it will be prices on the screen. On the back of the booklet there is usually a sneak peek for an item that is in the next month's box, and this month is no exception. So if you don't want to know what the sneak peek is, again I'm going to leave a timestamp in the comments down below so that you can just skip past this little part here. But if you do want to know what it is, then it is from SVR. And it is an intense moisturising cream. So it's the Hydroline Rich Intense Moisturising Cream, 40ml, worth £15. And on the first page of the booklet there's usually a little note from the editor, a little message, and it usually tells us a little bit of information about the edit, so what the theme is and things like that. So we'll just read that now. So the theme of this box is Christmas. Shocker. Christmas tree lit, decorations up, gifts wrapped. The 25th of December is almost upon us, and this month the beauty box is here to celebrate. In this month's beauty box edit we're bringing you an exclusive interview with Avant's head of marketing, Jekka Black's top tips to achieve the perfect dewy skin base, and Medicate's secret to younger looking skin. And from all the team here at Beauty Box HQ, have a very Merry Christmas. so that's quite nice. So without any further ado, let's get into the box. So we've got some very sparkly little wormies inside this month, so this is what we look like. So the first product that I'm pulling out is from Brushworks, and it's a double-ended brush. There we go. So it's a double-ended eye brush. This innovative dual-ended design features both an eyeshadow shade brush and an eyeliner brush in one. So let's just open that up. I do like brushes. I have a little bit of an obsession with them. Just a tiny one. So that is what that looks like, and that's the other end. So first impressions, as a shader brush, that is not going to be any use to me at all because that is huge. So I've only got little eyes, so something like that sort of, well, you can see, sort of pretty much takes up my lid space and then some. So that I might be able to use more as a concealer brush rather than an eye shader. And then the eyeliner brush, I'll give it a go. I don't really do eyeliner all that often, but I could probably use it as a brow brush as well. So I can probably get some use out of it, but not necessarily the way it was intended. But let's see what the book says. So this double-ended eyeshadow brush combines both shading and precision. On one end is a shader brush, perfect for packing on eyeshadow and blending out the edges. On the other is an eyeliner brush, suitable for use with powder eyeshadows and liquid or gel liners. Use the shader end to pack, buff and blend eyeshadows onto the lid, turn it over and use the eyeliner end to define the eyes. So yeah, as I said, it is what it is. It's just a bit too big for me, but I could probably find some use for it, so that's that. So next we've got something from Medicate. I have heard of this brand, but I don't think I've ever had anything from them. So this is the Hydrate B5 Liquid Rehydration Serum. It says it's got multi-weight hyaluronic acid inside. I do quite like hyaluronic acid products, so this is probably something that I will get some use out of. Let's see what the book says. Okay, so this was one of two products that we could have received. So we could either have received this product, or there was the Ren Atlantic Kelp Body Lotion. So I'll just read the description for this one. Harnessing hyaluronic acid and panthenol, vitamin B5, this Medicate serum brings long-lasting hydration for a plumper, smoother complexion. It's cruelty-free, vegan and free from artificial fragrances. After cleansing, massage 6 drops of the serum across face and neck, suitable for use both AM and PM. And then the description for the Ren product says, packed with sustainably sourced skin smoothing ocean ingredients, this body cream is easily absorbed into the skin and will keep your skin smooth and toned. Rub a small amount all over slightly damp skin until fully absorbed. To be totally honest, I think I'd have been happy with either one of those products. I do have a few serums in my collection, so it's probably going to take me a while to get through this. I would probably have got to the moisturiser a bit quicker. But yeah, I'm always keen to try new serums anyway, so I'm not sad to get this. I would have been happy either way. Next we've got an Avant product, which I think was probably the sneak peek from last month's booklet. And this is the Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch, so it's an eye cream. Whoops! I've tried a couple of Avant products now. I've had several since I've been having subscription boxes over the past couple of years, but I've only recently started trying any of them. And they're okay, but the price point on these is insane. So the chances of me ever repurchasing any of these it's never going to happen, basically. But it's nice to try, and if it does work, then, you know, at least I've managed to try a product that works for a short amount of time. But yeah, the price point on these, I'm never repurchasing anything. But let's see what the book says about this one. So Fight signs of ageing with this luxurious Avant eye cream infused with hyaluronic acid and seawater to deliver long-lasting moisture and combat the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles and eye bags for an overall more youthful glow. Sounds pretty good. Apply in the AM and PM onto dry, cleansed skin. Take a small amount on your ring finger and gently tap around the delicate eye area. So yeah, it's an eye cream. I've got a few eye creams in my collection at the moment, so again this is probably going to take me a while to get round to using it, but I'm happy to give it a go. So next is from Jecca Black, and this is the Glow Drops. I'm not going to open this box, and the reason for that is I already have some of these, so I'm not going to open it. In fact, I'm just going to double check. So this says it's in champagne. I'm just going to check my bottle and see what that is. Okay, so the one I've got is actually in a different shade. The one that I already had is in the shade Rose Pearl. And this one is in champagne. So I'm not going to open it. I've got a few of these sorts of products sort of sitting in my drawers back here. So I really don't need any more. I won't use enough of them often enough for me to get through any of them at this point, so I'm not going to open this. I'm just going to put it to one side and keep it for either a friend or a giveaway or something like that, but we will just see what the book says. Add some much needed sparkle this festive season with your Glow Drops in a beautiful champagne shade that flatters a range of skin tones. Apply a small amount all over your skin before foundation for an all-over luminous glow. For more precise highlighting, apply over your base makeup on the high points of your face, cheekbones, cupid's bow and brow bone. So yeah, as I said, I've just got so many of these products, and I don't ever use these as a highlighter. If I'm going to use a product like this, I'm using it to mix in with my moisturiser to give my moisturiser a bit of a glow. Especially if I'm having a no makeup day, then I'll just put a couple of drops in to the moisturiser that I'm using that day, and it just makes me look a little bit more healthy, glowy, dewy, whatever word you want to use. So it's not that I don't use these products. I just have so many of them. I'm just never going to get through them, not in the way that I use them. So that's that. So next we've got something from Percy and Reed, and this is the Reassuringly Firm Session Hold Hairspray. So hairspray, I'm quite happy to give that a go. I don't use a ton of hairspray, but it is a product that I will use, so that's fine. Let's see what the book says. Okay, so again, this was one of two items that we could have received. So you could either have received the hairspray, or there was a Sukin product which was a sensitive pink clay facial mask. So I'll just read the description for the hairspray first. Ultra fine, humidity resistant and providing a flexible but firm hold, this hairspray is just what you need to help your hairstyles last throughout the day. Holding the can 20 centimetres away from your hair, gently mist over your style. It's a hairspray. I don't think there's anything particularly unique about this hairspray, but it's something that I will find useful. And then the clay mask, formulated with a blend of pink and red clays that work together to extract impurities to leave your skin looking radiant and clear. Apply all over damp skin, leave for 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. To be honest, I think I'm happier with the hairspray. I've got quite a few mask type products in my collection at the moment. I've only got one hairspray that I'm currently using, so it's not like I've got an abundance of these, so this is fine. And I've been using a face wash from Sukin, and I'm not overly fond, but I don't know whether it's just the type of face wash it is. I'd be keen to try more from Sukin, so if I'd have had this, I would definitely have given it a try. But I think this is something that I'm going to get to a lot quicker, considering the amount of face mask things I've got. So it's probably good I got this one. And then the last thing in the box is from the Balm, and it's Petal to the Metal Va Room cream eyeshadow. So I don't think I've got a lot of cream eyeshadows in my collection, so this is what the shade looks like. So it looks a bit sparkly. I am going to give it a swatch, so we're just going to, and that's what it looks like on the finger, and then that's what it looks like on my hand. So it's just a sort of neutral browny sort of shimmery shade. I'm not sure how that's going to work on my eyes. I do have a few creases going on. I'm not exactly a spring chicken anymore, so yeah, it might sort of crease a bit on me, but we'll see. Let's have a look at the book. Okay, so it looks like there were a few shades that we could have received. Let me just show you this picture here. So this one looks quite pretty. We should have had that one to try instead, but yeah, I suppose just to try it out and see what I think. If I like it, I can always have a look at purchasing the red one. Creamy, buildable and easy to blend, the Balm eyeshadow is just what you need to inject a bit of colour into your makeup routine this festive season. Whatever colour you receive this month, expect a strong pigment that is great applied alone or with some of your favourite eyeshadows. Pack eyeshadow over your lid using your Brushworks double-ended brush and blend out the edges. Use on its own or combine with other eyeshadows. It's quite nice that they've done that they've sent the brush with the eye shade, but that's just not going to work for me. But it was a nice try, you know, marks out of 10 and all that. But yeah, but I'll give it a go. I don't think it's something that I will use an awful lot, but I'll try it and see. It might surprise me. And that was the last product from the box. So quick recap. We've got the Brushworks double-ended eye brush. We've got the Medicate hyaluronic serum. We've got the Jekka Black glow drops. We've got the Avant eye cream. We've got the Percy and Reed hairspray. And we've got the Balm Petal to the Metal eye shade. So all in all, what do I think of this month's box? I'm struggling to see where the Christmas theme comes in. I mean, other than the sparkly wormies, and, you know, maybe the glow drops and the shimmery eye shade, I'm really struggling to see where the Christmas theme comes in. I would have expected a box sort of based on Christmas to be a little bit more bold and, you know, glamorous, and I just don't feel that with this box. There's some nice items in here. Not everything is for me, not everything is going to work for me, but that's just the risk you take with subscription boxes. I don't know. But anyway, now it's over to you guys. So what do you think of this box? Is this a box that you already subscribe to? If so, what did you think of this month's products? Do you agree with me about the theme? If you don't already subscribe to this box, is what I've shown you today something that has maybe tempted you to subscribe? Just let me know all your thoughts and feelings in the comments box down below. I'm always interested to hear other people's thoughts and opinions. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helps me out and lets me know that you're enjoying my content. If you're not already subscribed to my channel and you think you'd like to catch up with me more often, then I'd love it if you could hit that subscribe button too. It's totally free and would help you to find me more easily in future. And with all of that being said, I really hope everyone's well and staying safe at the moment, and I will see you all again in another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.